Hello everyone, my name is Abdo and I'm a graphic designer. I have much experience in designing logos, business cards, and flyers. I create this YouTube channel for educational videos to assist you in understanding the basics of design, particularly logo design. In today's video, we're redesigning one of the most famous logos in the world, the McDonald's logo. There are many apps that designers use to design logos, but Adobe Illustrator is still the most popular app, due to its ease of use and many other advantages. Let's go. Firstly, open Illustrator. You will see an interface like this. To create a new project, go to the file and select New. Enter the title of your project, and the dimensions. For example, I put 1980 pixels for height, and 1080 pixels for width. Change the color mode to RGB, and the resolution to 72 ppi, and click Create. I'll go into more detail about this settings in a later video. You will see an interface similar to this. If you don't see it, go to Windows, click on Workspace, and then select Essential. Now, everything is prepared to draw our logo. Drawing a square, selecting the rectangle tool with the right click, or just pressing M on the keyboard. Right click, and enter the dimensions. I choose 400 pixels. Select the shape, and go to the properties. If you don't see it, go to Windows and select Properties. Leave the inside uncolored, and fill the stroke with black. Select the shape, go to Windows and select Transform. Divide the height by 1.618. Turn the shape 90 degrees by selecting it, hold the Shift key on the keyboard and rotate it. I will enlarge it a little bit. Select the shape and drag. To scale it properly, holding the Shift and Alt keys while you dragging. Now, I will divide it into equal rectangles. Select the shape, and go to Object, choose Path option, and click on the Split into Grids. This property converts any shape into a table. Activate the Preview option to see the changes. I will make 12 rows, and 1 column. And now, applying the same process, we divide the upper rectangle into 2 rows. I'll enlarge it a little bit. Now, let's draw a square with the same width as the big rectangle. Choose the rectangle tool, go to the rectangle's center, press the Shift and Alt keys, then drag until the square fit the rectangle. Select the square and the rectangle, and set their alignment to the left. Go to Windows, select the Align option, and select Horizontal Align Left. Now, make a circle. Use the ellipse tool, or simply press L on the keyboard. We create a circle in the middle of the rectangle's side. Remember to drag with the Shift and Alt keys, hold down, until the circle touches the rectangle. Hold the Alt key, and drag to the top rectangle. Repeat the process, drawing a second circle that should touch the square side this time. Holding the Alt key, drag the circle to the second rectangle. Move the square aside, I'll use it later. Select everything, then select the Shape Builder tool, or use the keys Shift+M on your keyboard. The Shape Builder tool can be used to interactively extract, unite or intersect regions of partially overlapping shapes. Choose the fill color. Leave it without stroke. Now, we'll create the shape like this. Choose the shapes you want to use, and then lock them. Go to Object, choose Lock, and click on Selection. Using Ctrl+A, select every form we no longer need, and delete it. Then unlocking all shapes, go to Object, choose Unlock All Options. Now, we'll duplicate the shape, select it, hold down the Alt key, and drag. Ensure that everything is aligned properly, use the Ctrl+Y, or Command+Y, to outline it. And now we combine the two shapes into one shape. Select all shapes, go to Windows, choose the Pathfinder option, click on Unite. To complete the logo, we add a square's half to both sides of the letter M. Remove the stroke, and align it. Split the square in half, then delete the bottom half. Copy it, and align it with the other side. Now, select everything, go to Pathfinder, and click Unite. Okay, this is our logo. Now, let's add some color to it. Make a square. Each color has a unique code, and the codes you see on the screen correspond to the McDonald's brand. Select the square, and put the color code here. Duplicate the square, and repeat the technique for 2 more colors. Now, we will include these colors in our color swatch. Select the squares, go to Windows, and choose Swatches. For more options, click on the 3 lines in the Windows corner. Select New Color Group. Put the name of your color group, and click OK. Now, let's make a simple red background. Make a large rectangle, fill it with red, and then lock it. We move the logo to the center of the background. The logo is hidden by the background. Go to the Layer panel to bring it to the front. If you can't see the panel, select Layers from the Windows menu. Select the logo, and drag it like this to the top of the background. If you like the video, please leave a like, and subscribe to the channel for more.